I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make asada quesadillas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delicious meal. You'll need about 1 pound of pre-cooked carne asada, which can be shredded or diced into small pieces. We'll also use 8 soft flour tortillas, ideally around 8 inches in diameter, and 2 generous cups of shredded Monterey Jack or Oaxaca cheese for that perfect melt. Don't forget your favorite toppings like salsa or guacamole. Now let's focus on the star of our dish, the carne asada. If you're starting with raw meat, marinate and grill it to perfection, then let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. For pre-cooked asada, simply dice or shred it into small, bite-sized pieces. Gently warm the meat in a skillet over medium-low heat, perhaps with a tablespoon or 2 of beef broth, to ensure it's tender and flavorful throughout. With our asada ready, it's time to assemble these mouth-watering quesadillas. Lay 1 flour tortilla flat. On 1/2, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your chosen cheese, leaving a small border. Then, spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of the warm carne asada over the cheese. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a half-moon shape. Repeat this process for all 8 tortillas. Finally, let's cook these beauties. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Place 1 or 2 quesadillas in the pan depending on its size. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy and the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once cooked, remove them, slice into 3 triangles, and serve immediately with a dollop of sour cream, fresh salsa, or zesty guacamole. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.